Arousal theory. So arousal theory kind of sounds like what it sounds like is when you are aroused, you are alert. There's heightened sensitivity. And there's an optimal level of arousal that really is characterized by what's called the Yerkes-Dodson curve. Now, in this optimal level of arousal that's when you're at your highest state of performance. So you want to be able to know about that from your own performance and the performance of those that work with you or for you, however you frame that. So let's go back to that Yerkes-Dodson curve. Let's look at these graphs. So if you note, one says a simple task, the other says a complex task. So for a simple task, you can be in a higher state of arousal to achieve that with regard to the quality of performance. The more complex the task, your arousal state has to be less. Because if your arousal state is too high, then you can't problem solve, you can't reason, you can't make decisions as well. That's where you see the difference between the two. So again, kind of the application question. Which of the following HR strategies is aligned with arousal theory? So is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Jot it down. It's definitely A, scheduling. Because arousal is physiologically dependent. Some people are morning people, what they call larks. Some people are evening people, which they call owls. And there's also these kind of lark-owl assessment inventories that you can do on Google as well. So scheduling is related to that. Also the pace of work. Workplace environment can be related to arousal as well. Because if you're saturated with a lot of stimuli, then what that may do is have a reduced state of heightened sensitivity. Job design, to some degree. Incentive compensation, not relevant at all for this.